Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. And if this is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at the Prampram apartment project where we started with 5 bedroom house here where we are building for one of our subscribers. This project is almost I think 3 years now, right, since we started with this particular project. I think most of you guys haven't seen this or are not familiar with this particular project, and please don't get confused. We have the Prampram project, which is my personal project, and then we have this one, which is the Prampram apartment project. Right. So, we've done some modification with this structure. Like I said earlier on, it was a 5 bedroom house mansion, which that was the initial plan of the owner. But later looking at the environment, looking at the possibilities, and also the financial and stuff, we decided to convert it into an apartment. It's just 2 level, so we have 3 bedrooms downstairs and then another 3 bedrooms upstairs. How did we come about all these rooms? Initially we just have 2 bedrooms downstairs. Which was one was the car garage. We converted that into a bedroom, which you see downstairs. And the living room was also very huge. We created another room there, and then it already had a 1 bedroom downstairs. So it was like 1 bedroom downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. But then, like I said, we converted the car garage, and then the living room, divided the living room into two to have a room because it was very huge. It was very huge, right? So, if you want to follow this particular project, if you are new here on my channel, especially, I think when we started with this project, I had like maybe 1K subscribers, right? And as it stands now, thanks to you guys, I'm almost 10K. I'm over 10K right now. So I know most of you haven't seen this. The last update of this project was 2024, right? So it's been a while. That was the last video I posted where we did the decking. So we did the decking in 2024, and then we also we started with the block works of the second floor, right? So I think to the windows level, yeah, which was also 2024. That was where we got to. That was the last update. And 2025, we went ahead to finish with the block works upstairs, and then we did the roofing also as well, right? And here the team is here to start with the electrical works, which is the finishing part. So we're going to start with the electrical works, the plumbing. The first phase of the electrical work, the first phase of the plumbing works. And then plastering and screeding, tiling, all will come. That means that that's going to be around 2026, right? So, these are the things that we've been preaching here on the channel. So you can see the floating staircase. This is our signature here at Gigo Production Group now. Most of our structures have this kind of, staircase, and also the idea of having a staircase outside of the structure so that, every apartment has its own entrance, right? You don't have to go through, the ground floor to get to the up. These are tips and ideas that I did share here at Gigo Production Group, and I'm happy that most people are making good use of it, of these tips. So if you want more ideas when it comes to building apartment, or when it comes to building your dream house, how to do it step by step, if you go to my playlist, we have the Prampram project, which is my personal project. It is my personal project, so I was able to share more tips and ideas on it, so you can get to learn one or two from there. And also this particular project as well, right? So we do have land for sale in this particular area. I think it's the next 2 blocks. It's the same lane, right? We have 5 plots of land going for sale. I will chip in the drone shots in this area where the land is, so that you know, the distance from here. It is just you'll be a neighbor, right, with this particular project. So if you are interested, as it stands now, 1 plot is going for 18,000 US dollars. We have 5 plots. It's either you buy 2 plots at a go, or you buy 3 plots as well, right? So the owner is not selling just 1 plot. You either buy 2 or more, right? I mean, this place is a promising place. You will see it in the drone shot, and also you can see, someone have 1 acre here, and the person is building a townhouse there, which, I mean, we saw the foundation. It's coming up nicely. Trust me, this area is very promising. So if you are an investor, right, you want to build townhouses, and you want to, if you're a developer and you want to develop, something in the future, if even you want to put up apartment in this land, it is very good for apartment. I will put the video. Yes, so this is the video, right? This is the neighborhood. So this is the project. This was like 2 years ago when we started with this particular project. That's when I did this drone shot, and the location of the land that I'm telling, which is going for sale, will pop up. You'll see that very soon. So if you are interested, you're a developer, you want to develop this place, you want to either you want to put up townhouses, or you want you want to put up apartment, just get in touch with me, and then, I mean, I will connect you to the owner of the land. Like I said, a plot is 18,000 US dollars as it stands now, right? December 2025. Maybe it will go higher because, I mean, land prices never comes down, right? It's not far from the beach. Like I said, I'll post a video of the distance, right, from the beach to this land, the area. I mean, area walkthrough. I have that as well. So you go to my playlist. I'm going to put that video there for you to check it out if you're interested in buying the land. This is the vicinity, the area. And also, if you want to follow this particular project, which is the Prampram apartment project, I'll also put a video of our last updates or the playlist so that you can follow how far this project is also going as well, right? So this is the vicinity. It's a very beautiful area. I mean, my project is not really far from here. So if you want to put up apartment here, I mean, trust me, it is the best investment you make, right? So that is the land, right? That's the land there, which is a 5 plot going for sale. And if you put up apartment, maybe 3 floors, I believe you'll be able to have a view of the ocean, right? You have a view of the ocean. This drone shot was done during the Harmattan season, so it's very difficult for you to see the ocean from here, but that's the beach for you. And I mean, this is where the land is, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I'll keep you updated on our next episode in 2026 when, I mean, we start with the finishes, the electrical works, the plumbing works. So stay tuned for that, right? So thanks once again, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.